When we talk about quality management or running a successful business, you'll often hear the term process approach. So, what does it actually mean? The process approach is a way of managing a business by understanding that everything we do is part of a process, a sequence of activities that take inputs and turn them into valuable outputs. Instead of managing departments separately, we look at how activities connect, flow, and work together. Every process begins with an input, something we receive or need in order to start working. In quality and business, common inputs include customer requirements, product drawings or specifications, material or component requirements, regulations or standards. These inputs define what the customer expects and what the business must deliver. Next, inputs move through one or more processes. A process is simply a set of actions that transform inputs into results. In most organizations, processes can be grouped into three major types. Core processes. These are the activities that directly create value for the customer. Examples include design and development, manufacturing, packaging, shipping. If core processes stop, the business cannot deliver its product or service. Management processes help the organization plan, monitor, and improve what it does. Examples include personnel planning, financial planning and budgeting, strategic planning, performance measurement. These processes keep the company aligned, focused, and moving in the right direction. Support processes don't create products directly, but they are essential for keeping core activities running smoothly. Examples include human resources, maintenance, safety and training, its support, finance and accounting, supplier management and purchasing. Strong support processes ensure that the entire system works effectively. Finally, every process ends with an output, the result we deliver. Ideally, this result should match or exceed customer expectations. Outputs might include a high-quality product, a completed service, documentation, reports, or certificates, and, ultimately, customer satisfaction. When the output meets expectations, the process has done its job. So why do organizations use the process approach? Because it brings powerful benefits, such as clarity, consistency, efficiency, better quality, improved communication, risk mitigation, stronger supply chains, continuous improvements, and much more. Thanks for watching. Please remember to subscribe to Supplier's platform.